Y'all just talking about Powerpuff?
Yeah, for right now, you know. So anyway, you like the Powerpuff Girls?
I do. I think they're very strong, very.
Oh yeah, and you know what? I want to tell you, they kicked Mojo Jojo's butt and made them cry.
Oh, definitely. They're very independent.
Oh, you want to know why?
Why?
I should have asked me why they kick his butt.
Why they kick his butt?
Because Mojo Jojo stole their candy. You heard of that episode?
I have.
Oh yeah, your name Rachel again, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to know, you know. So anyway, like I said, the pick is going on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
All right, sounds good.
It's not going on MySpace because nobody uses MySpace anymore.
All right, yeah.
I tried to get in my MySpace, it wouldn't let me. I got the cast of this movie. I interviewed them Friday.
Good for you.
All right, so anyway, it's nice talking to you though.
Nice talking to you.
Yeah, so
Very nice to meet you.
okay, Domino 7. Okay, let me ask you something. You're the Keely Madison?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, she usually be here every year.
I haven't seen her. I just don't know.
Oh yeah, cause you know something. I remember about them about somebody. Well, let me stop the statement. I don't want to talk about nothing. Let me stop the statement.